Filming?
I think so.
The camera makes everything look nicer in here than it really does, huh?
God. So horrible pitbull Ellie. Oh my gosh.
Great run.
Yeah, it was my mom's.
I got you some coffee and cigarettes.
I quit smoking. Thanks.
You need any help moving today?
No, I'm good.
Really? Not planning to leave anytime soon?
Well, since I don't have any money or car or phone, I was just thinking about just staying here.
Do you honestly think that this is how you're going to get her back?
I'm just living day to day.
Right. Well, how many days do you think it's going to take to get your shit together?
Are you gonna make me leave?
I'm not going to tell you what to do because we both know that doesn't work. But if it takes you sitting here and making an idiot out of yourself to get cleaned up, then so be it. City of Arcadia allows the property owner to hold a yard sale for no more than 5 consecutive days. This buys you 3 days.
I don't want to sell my stuff.
Sell your crap, don't sell your crap, I don't care. But after this, you move on. I got you some pens and some paper to make signs.
I gotta make signs. That's a joke.
Don't make an ass out of me, Nate.
That was a funny joke.
You have 3 days to get your shit together. If not, I'm gonna have to haul your ass off to jail.
I'm not sure. Thank you.
Sorry about yesterday.
It's cool.
How's your penmanship?
Pretty good.
I was thinking, seeing as you're not doing anything but ride your bike all day, you might want to come work for me?
What kind of work?
Make some signs, maybe sell a couple things.
What are you offering?
Discussing salary and responsibility up front. Smart, very smart. I'm thinking $4 an hour. Okay? If I have to leave, stay here, wash my stuff, act tough. Feed you, give you bathroom and cigarette breaks as required by state law.
I don't smoke.
Good. Great. So we got a deal?
Arizona minimum wage is $7.25.
Okay, $7.25 it is. What? It's a good deal.
I want to learn to play baseball.
You want me to teach you how to play baseball? Yeah, I don't know.
I see all your trophies and stuff on the lawn.
Yeah, I know, that's from high school. Why do you want to learn to play baseball?
My mom says I need the exercise.
Okay, I can see that.
And my dad played.
Cat's gonna learn how to
Okay.
play like a pit bull.
Now we
He's
gotta
already laying on his back.
Yeah.
start with
So,
the sign. This is a
Little
sign.
pinchy
area.
bites lip.
No, I haven't met the neighbors yet. Yes, there's grass.
What about these clothes?
Keep, put them in the top left-hand drawer.
What about these?
Oh, yeah, those. You want to hold on to those. They're actually pretty valuable. You'd be surprised. You can put them in that same drawer. We'll know that they're there in case you want to put them.
So, when are you coming? Okay. When will you know?
Can I help you? How much? I'm sorry, the shoes are not for sale. They shouldn't be over there, actually.
How much for the chair?
You know, it's not for sale either.
How much for this?
You want to buy that?
How much is it?
50 cents?
I'll give you 25 cents.
Yeah, I just can't do that. Ouch. But hold on. You know what? Let's keep it at 50. And, let's see. Throw in some floss. Great. Have a good one. Rule number 8. Always give them a little something extra. Vegetarian.
Stupid.
Can I work on baseball now?